Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Evening everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Introduce myself. My name is Naswa Palianti Putri. I'm from class A of the class online at LKP Mr. D Batch 24. I would like to present my precious hobby. Next, Miss. My hobbies: sport, listen to music, and cooking or baking. Next. Outline, introduction, description, conclusion, and closing. Next. What is hobby? What is the hobby? A hobby is a regular activity done for pleasure and relaxation in your free time, not for money or work, involving interests like crafting, sport, cooking, or learning new skill after enjoyment and stress relief. Next, Miss. 1. Sport. I like to stay active and enjoy physical activities. My favorite sports are running, volleyball, and badminton. I usually explore around the region of each area once every 2 weeks. My most recent sport activity was last Friday. I did 2 activities are once running and playing badminton. Even though it was tiring, it made me feel very fresh. Next, Miss. 2. Listen to music. Music is an important part of my daily life. I listen to music during almost all of my activities. My favorite music genre is pop. It's especially like English songs. I often sing along while listening to music. Music makes the exposure more fun and exciting. Next. 3. Cooking or baking. Cooking is one of my hobbies, especially baking cakes. I can make snacks such as cakes, cookies, donuts, and smearing cookies. Pancakes are the food I make most often. I like pancakes because they are easy to prepare. My latest baking activity was the past Monday. I made my favorite pancakes during the time. Next.
Okay, please, one question for Nashiwa, guys.
I have a question for you, Nashiwa. Okay. Since you exercise once every 2 weeks at the rate twice, do you prefer to exercise alone, or do you usually do it separately?
Oh, nice.
I usually exercise with my cousin it's more enjoyable. Thank you.
Okay, nice. Continue, Nashiwa.
In conclusion, doing this makes me feel alive and fit or keep my body fresh. Music stay as a loyal friend that keeps my mood good, and baking give me a special satisfaction when I create something sweet. For me, hobbies are not just to pass the time, but they are the best way to love myself. That's all for me. I apologize for any mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.